Hello, Tony Estigoy here with Nick Sadek, Sotheby's International Realty, and today I am at 1132 Lantern View Drive in Auburn at brand new construction. This is a beautiful home. Look at the wide plank engineered hardwood flooring. You've got an office, actually it's a bedroom turned into an office. You got a full bathroom around the corner there. Check it out though, another half bath here. And look how beautiful it is up here. Wide open concepts, beautiful white cabinetry, quartz countertops. This place is just stunning. And then we'll take it one more step for you out here. Check out this view. You can see off into the distance, Folsom Lake. I'm telling you guys, this is a fantastic property, brand new construction. Just look below for a little more information and get a hold of me if you want to view it.